In this video, we are going to show you how to enable multilingual support in Elfsight Widgets. Now, to create this feature, you want to log into your account, and once you do, you want to hover your mouse here on widgets like so, and you want to go look at tools over here and scroll down until you see at the very bottom, the last option says website translator. So click on this. It will bring us to this own page right here. You want to click on create widget for free. There we go. And then here you're just gonna need to choose the template that you want. You can do, the language itself and the flag. You can do the globe. You can just do the suffix, right? Only the language, or even just the flags, right? So for example, we just want to do this, right? Round flag drop down. Next thing you need to do is click on continue with this template like so. Here, you can just choose the languages that are available for you. So the more language you add, click on add, just add as many languages as possible, right? So do that, just add as much as you want. And then you can actually just delete if you saw a language that you don't want to add and you want to take them out. Just click on the three dots, click on delete like so. And after that, click on design. So you can choose the styles here. You can choose the background colors. Pretty much customizable. And once you're satisfied with your widget, you want to click here on the add to website for free button and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.